Welcome to Real Business Lab. If you're a small business owner looking for clear, practical strategies to boost your profits and clarity, you've come to the right place. Because every week I dive into fictional yet realistic small business scenarios and show you exactly how I would fix them. No fluff, no jargon, just actionable steps you can implement today. Here, you'll learn how to improve your offers and pricing, attract more customers, fix common mistakes that many SMEs make, and build simple marketing systems. Plus, I'll share real-world strategies that can help increase your revenue and provide insights on what truly moves the needle in your business. So, whether you're running a local service, an online shop, or just starting out with a coaching business, this channel is designed to give you the clarity and confidence you need to grow without feeling overwhelmed. Now, if you're ready for simple steps and real strategies that lead to better business decisions, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, we'll transform your business one episode at a time.